We are off to Thermal Raceway for Larry Chen's workshop, and I'm just excited. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much, but if it does, then so be it. So we're getting in Kevin's Mustang EcoBoost. So you excited?
I'm pumped, dude.
What do you think is gonna happen? I'm kind of curious.
I don't know. I'm expecting a lot of people to be there, but I don't know. It sold out in 2 days, so.
Well, you know what? I thought there was gonna be a lot of people too until Larry put up that thing yesterday where he was like, well, one person dropped out. So I was thinking if there was like probably, if let's say 200 people were coming,
Yeah.
I don't know if you would have put that one little thing in there.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? So it might be smaller. He also put, I can't wait to do a lot of one-on-one with you guys.
Yeah.
So it probably is maybe smaller.
Yeah, I'm hoping that's the case.
So we're here at Tuner Crate. Mike's not here. Thanks, Mike, for not showing up.
Yeah.
Let's see what that says.
Auto.
Family, respect, loyalty. Oh, thanks, Mike. That's my NSX right here. The blinker flew in. This is real stuff right here. So, extends bulb life. Okay. O2 Honda NSX. Wide booty. Nice. By John Seibel. Must be nice. Yeah, he does. John. He's the one that made that toy.
Oh, is he really?
Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. Dude, you guys rock. Thanks, Mike. I'll cherish this for you guys. Dun 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 dun. Tuner Crate. Wow, guys, the weather is so beautiful out here. We just arrived to our motel out here. It's a little sketch and it's kind of like one of those prostitute motels, but I'm gonna be in my sleeping bag. I'm gonna shower and sleep, and that's all there is to it. So let's kind of look around what's going on over here. There's the amazing pool and a barbecue grill and the vacancy office right here.
Do you want your own company? Or you work for someone?
No, it's more like personal development.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, so we're about to get our room. We're gonna check it out in a few seconds. Hopefully it's not too bad, but whatever. I'm just excited to get to Thermal. So, this is where me and Kevin will become more acquainted.
Ours should have 2 beds though.
Oh, it's amazing.
Look, there's our editing workstation.
Oh yeah, there it is right there, the station. I was gonna bring my laptop, but I was like, ah, forget it. So we have arrived to Thermal.
We're here.
All right, guys, so we just arrived. It is warm out here, but not too hot. And already there's some cool cars there's already some cool cars out here. And I don't see any 911s yet, so I might just have to head back home. I'm just playing. There's Lifeway right there.
They own me now.
Yep.
There's it.
Ownage.
Another TT4. Let's do this.
All right, boys and girls. We have arrived. It's beautiful out here. It's like a Spanish villa or something. Like the way it's all set up, right?
Yeah.
Super, super nice. Let's check out the sights. Saw a couple of Lambos and some 911s passing by GMGs. I think GMG's got a house here. I think they just live here. Must be nice. They have so much land, it's almost like you could just like, you know, you want to build a house out there and you just buy land over there. You know? So. Wow, look at this. Look at this Mustang in white. Dang. Now I'm balancing 2 cameras, food, and utensils. All right. That makes sense.
Good luck.
This is like the fastest selling workshop with Canon ever.
Yeah.
Sold
Nice.
under 2 days.
Whoa! What the? Damn. Guys, so we just walked into the garage where it's filled with Porsches and other crazy sports cars. I saw a ZL1 and a bunch of kart cars, and we got a bunch of Porsches lined up right here. So I'm gonna walk around. There's even a Bach Mono here, which is badass, and it's in white, my favorite color, of course. So check this out real quick. Dude, guys, this is insane. I mean, look at this. We got 2 more 911s coming. Check this out. Check this out. There it is. Thermal. This place is ridiculously beautiful. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Boys and girls, this is where the big boys stay. Whose garage can I live in, please? Just a corner of the room, bathroom, I'll stay in a closet. Any of these houses right here, I'm good. Let's get in. Alright guys, so we just finished up shooting the car stuff on the track. Now we're gonna do some static shots, and I think we're headed to either the pits or on the course where they've actually shut it down. So we're all excited. You excited, Kev?
Yep.
Yeah. So we got a bunch of gear from Canon. Thank you for the gear, and we're just out here just having fun, man. So check out these views though. It's amazing. That's ridiculous, man. I love it. This is heaven right here. This is race car heaven.
Boss.
wait for you to be racing, baby. Look at this. Look at these guys on these cars, Cal. I hope you're excited.
This guy's drifting.
So now we're shooting some static stuff. We got to the location. There's 4 cars out here. Larry brought out his 996 Turbo. He brought out his Datsun, and I can't get over this view. Look at how beautiful this is. It's you know what, the camera does not do it justice. No. Kevin, tell them, like, you look at right here, and then look at right there. You're like, yeah, not the same. You guys just have to be out here on this particular day. But let's check it out. So we are on Thermal's track out here with the candy cane stripes, and we're doing detail shots. So Larry wants us to do shots of the motor, if there's rust, tires, shift knobs, just details of the car, tell the story. So that's what we're doing. I started off with the 911, of course, and I'm just gonna make my way around to the Datsun probably, and whatever else is on the other side. So we're doing car to car.
Everyone loves it. Right?
Larry put his on the
I got mine on because
Look at that glorious sunset.
Big hell of a ballet someday. The world's most disappointing
You really want to be on your knees. Yeah.
Yes. Let me see you on your knees, Kevin.
Yeah, my lens cap.
Good tip. What'd you learn at Larry's course? To take off your lens cap.
I'm trying to get down low, dude. Be like,
look at Sony fans. Look, so quick to switch over to Canon.
it's Sony, I promise.
All right, guys. So today's pretty much a wrap. I think we're gonna probably head back, talk a little bit about what's happening tomorrow, and then we're probably gonna go get some dinner and probably get some rest. So, peace out.